Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to a new video. In today's video we're gonna take a look at how to fix age restriction on TikTok. Now you might have seen an option which says age restricted and you could not watch a particular video. Now if this is happening to you on every other video, then you'll need to report this problem straight to TikTok. But if it happens only on a particular video, that could be a glitch. So what you can do in that case is you can just update the app of TikTok, or you can try to uninstall the app first and then download again, and you should pretty much be fixed. But if you're having with this every other video, what you need to do is tap on your profile icon on the bottom right and then tap on the three lines on the top right and head over to settings and privacy. From here, scroll down and tap on report a problem. Here you'll be able to see tons of options that you can report a problem for. What you want to do here is scroll down to the bottom and tap on submit a report. Now here you'll be able to type in the exact problem that you're facing and add in your feedback. You can also tap on this option and then add in the screenshot of the restricted option that you have been seeing. Now you can type in the exact problem that you're facing and then you can now tap on submit. Now once the problem has been reported to TikTok should help you in fixing that issue. Now, like I earlier said, if you're only facing this problem with some of the videos, you can really fix it by updating your app and then try to uninstall and download it again on your phone. So I hope this video helped. If it did, then subscribe and give this video a like. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.